Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kathy here with OMG Tesla. Today we are going to be taking a look at the rear trunk mats from Tesmanian. I also got the rear trunk well mat as well, so we can take a look at that. So let's just pop this guy open. And that's all that's in the box. Alright, so, that had me worried. I thought they did not include the well mat. We can unwrap it. And I don't know if you guys can see that piece against my hand, but it's like a little extra piece of rubber. So this lays flat in your trunk. There is a little cutout for the area where there's a little pull tab for your well. This does mean that the second well in the Model Y is no longer accessible with this mat unless you take off the entire mat, which is a bit unfortunate, but I think that maybe they will figure out a way to make a second generation of this mat. I personally would hold off on purchasing this until they figure that out because having that second well is nice. Taking a look at the well mat, let's open this up. And this is pretty similar to the front well mat. It is a bit smaller because of course that rear well is smaller, but it'll fit in nicely. I have some tools and random stuff back there like car stuff, so it'll be nice to kind of keep everything contained and make sure that if any bottle leaks, it'll be caught with this mat because I have a lot of liquids back there as well. It's pretty simple, looks very similar to all their other mats. This unfortunately is pretty disappointing because I won't have access to that second rear trunk well. Nash is a fan of the mat. I can't say that I agree with it though. Let me know what you think of this mat, if you guys are going to be purchasing one yourself, or if this video kind of put you off with no access to that second well. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content like this coming. We do plan to do a comparison video between the Model 3 and the Model Y and the sizes of the seats and just the interior and everything that's going on with that. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely subscribe. That's going to be coming out within the next week or so. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.